Hello, thank you for watching. My name is Anjoli and I have an unbagging from Newfrog, and it finally came in, the two dolphins that I ordered back February 26th. This one shipped out on March 16th though, so from February 26th till March 16th, I guess it wasn't in stock. I paid $440. Sorry, I'm trying to read my old notes. I paid $440. It's a round partial. It's supposed to be 7 colors. And the SKU number, just in case anybody would like to get it, is 166553. Because their descriptions are very vague on Newfrog, so if you just put in 2 dolphins, you'll probably get a bunch of things that pop up. But it's partial. Today is April 2nd. So from March 16th to April 2nd, that's how long it took. And this one I didn't have to sign for. I was watching a live chat by Diggy, and I typed and I asked her, do you ever have to sign for your Newfrog? And she started saying no, but then the live chat just went crazy and I couldn't hear nothing, and the little spinning wheel came up and it finally just kicked me off. So I think someone in the diamond painting community from Newfrog is mad that I asked that question. I don't know. Maybe it's the government. I don't know. I'm just joking. But yeah, for some reason when I asked that question, it went off. But I heard some of it, and she said that she didn't have to sign for it, any of her Newfrog. But I've been having to sign for some of mine lately, and I'm very surprised because I never had to. All right, sorry, my daughter decided she wanted to come in here and ask me to eat, and I'm like, you just had pizza. So I'll deal with her after in a minute. It shouldn't take long. Okay. So basically you only do the dolphin. So it's $4.40. I want to send this to my friend. I might not frame it. I just might send it to her through the mail. But we'll see. I'm just scared if I frame it, it might break in the mail. Even if you put fragile on it and bubble wrap it. I'm just scared that she's going to get it and the frame's going to be a wreck. So 7 colors, and they're all blues. So you just do the dolphins in the middle. I can't see the screen sometimes, so I'm just trying to get you guys a closer look. So it's number 1 through 7, and 37 by 25 they claim. Standard kit with a couple of baggies, not a lot, probably look like 3 of them. I'm gonna pause you guys for a minute and I'm gonna measure, but I think the 37 by 25 is the whole canvas. So let me get the measuring real quick. All right, I also took the drills out of the bag so no one has to hear the crinkle. But let's see, this thing is so bad, it's not even funny. So I'm gonna measure it from the back because I can see through with my cheap measuring tool that I got from the doctor's office. So since I could see through this canvas, it's about 31.5 centimeters, and lengthwise, the height is about 19 centimeters. No, 20 centimeters, I'm sorry, 20 centimeters. So, yeah, that's the whole canvas size, not even the pasting area of the image. So, 37 by 25 is probably the whole canvas. There you go. I could talk. So let's take a quick look at the colors. I have 7 of them, and they're all different shades of blue. No DMC numbers, just one and then the canvas number. So let's see, we got a couple light blues. They look almost similar, but they're a little off, 1 and 2. 3, it's almost like a faded denim color. 4 is a little bit brighter of a denim color. Basically, it looks like denim jeans. You got 5 and 6 and 7 is like a dark blue. So, yep, that's it. Just 7 colors. My friend loves dolphins, so I thought I'll do a diamond painting for her. And that's about it. So, like I said, I ordered this on February 26th. It shipped out March 16th. It didn't get to me until today, April 2nd. And I think this is the last of my order that I was waiting for. So SKU number 166553, if anybody is interested in a very small partial, you're only doing it 2 dolphins. And so probably almost as big as my hand for dolphins. Now I have small hands, so but very pretty. At least the dolphins will pop out more. So yeah, that was it. I'm expecting 2 more from AliExpress. I'm still working on that fall owl, which is becoming such a disaster, but I'm still gonna do it. I'm trying not to let it break my spirit and trying not to make me unhappy with diamond painting. I haven't touched around with the 2 owls, the pink and the blue one, because I'm saving that for when I'm done with this disaster. I'll have something fun to work on, because that one's easy. It's no one's fault, you know. I know someone picked it out in the comments, which, to be honest, that is my favorite one. I want to do it. I couldn't wait to do it. And the drills are too big for the grid. The white ones are too big. The yellow ones have these little nubs on the side, and so they're taking up more space. Those seem to be the only 2 colors I'm really having problems with, but I don't want to keep shaving off nubs on the side. And the white ones, like I said, they're just too big. And someone told me, why don't you just order replacement drills? I've looked at various sites to order replacement drills, and I'll be spending $20 alone just for the replacement drills. I need a little over $6,000. And then I could buy 2 diamond paintings for that price. So like I said, I'm just going to get glitter, which would be a lot cheaper. But I want the nice shimmery glitter, so I could put around the owl and in between some of the leaves. I've been trying to put white here and there in between, so I won't have too much glitter to put on there. But I think I'm going to have to get like a really bright yellow glitter, because while I'm doing some of the yellows, I'm missing like a whole row of yellow in between some of the colors, because even the yellow drills, the nubs and everything is taking up so much space that basically a half a drill size of a line needs to be filled, and I can't fill it. So I'm still working on that, but I'm not gonna let it discourage me. So thank you for watching. I want to just hurry up and do a quick unboxing. I don't want this video to be too long, but sometimes I feel I need to vent. So that was it. Have a good day. Stay warm. It's cold here for some strange reason. The wind is very cold, but have fun. Bye.